G'day guys, hope you're all well. Look, I need to go through and talk to you about the market at the moment. I'm seeing some signs that we'll see something a little bit deeper than we may have, than many may have thought. Now I know a lot of people like to just see it when it goes up, but you've got to remember the markets go up and they go down. I'll bring you back to a time in 2017, which seemed like such a long time ago. Look at this move, okay? It goes up. It pulls back. It goes up. It pulls back. And this is the way a market moves. Okay? Now, I know that you've probably heard me say this before, but we're seeing a pullback. Now, I'm not sure how closely you follow me or what I'm doing. And, I talk to my members every single day, of course. The free members, you get this video every 2 weeks. I talked about this being a potential lower high. Now, I'm not suggesting that, I'm not saying, yay, I picked the top. That's not what I'm trying to say. As we came up here, we saw a lower high print back into the cradle zone. At that point, I was talking to it saying, look, it doesn't mean anything right now. We've got to wait and see what it does. Pull back in deeper. There's that bullish candle. Now, that candle to me was really, really big. It was really important. It was either going to break the high of that candle and continue to move to the upside, or break the low and continue to move lower. Now, of course, we can see now that it broke the low. We did have a chance for this trend to continue and it failed. It's now falling and we are headed very closely towards 10,000. We may actually get there whilst I'm on this video. So as I look at this on the weekly, now I know you've seen this, the pullbacks that we saw, 32, 39, 40 and 32 again throughout 2017. That's an average of 35.25, okay? Now what that means to me, what I've been speaking to a lot is we haven't seen a pullback of that nature. I mean, I'd be happy to see a deeper pullback than 35%, but 35, let's call it 40, right? Let's get 40. That gets to 8,300. Now, wouldn't be surprised if we stopped around 9,000 or 8,800. And I also wouldn't be surprised if we went a bit deeper and hit 8,000. We need to see this pullback. We need to see it come back into this region. Why? Because that's how markets work. The good news is the upside. 207% is the average upside move from that low. Okay, as you see here, pullback from that low to this high. The average is 207. Now you can see 234, 178, 163, and 254 again here. Okay. So we haven't seen anything like that just yet. I'm waiting for that pullback. But what does it mean? So as we see this pullback occurring, and I do have some confidence now that we will see it. Of course, we've now seen the bearish candle here of this weekly broken. Okay. It's clearly there. So what does it mean? Well, it means that effectively, we do have a bearish candle broken. All right, that's all it means in the weekly. It doesn't mean a great deal more. What I'm looking at the minute is just basically shorting, just getting short trades on. All right. Now you've got some good options across the top 10 that are downtrending right now. If I look at Bitcoin right here as it stands, I need to go to the lower time frames. I need to wait for a pullback. Okay. Look at this, beautiful pullbacks in. That's what I'm after. I'm waiting for the pullback. The 1 hour, look, the 2 hour would be nice. It's just got a fair way to go. And we can even go lower now because this trend is really, really nice. So I'll be looking for Fibonacci boosters. I'll be looking for breakouts. I'll be looking for cradles. I also don't mind going to the 15. It's got to be a good trending chart with good cyclicity for me to do that. We haven't seen that for a little while. Something like this, we get this downtrend in play, nice clean pullback and a good move. Now what I do look to do is I do look to scale out on these trades. I do tend to risk less because what I'm trying to achieve there is to get to break even and look for a runner. Now because they're tight stops and because this market can move very, very quickly, I don't want to have too much exposure to a potential spike to the upside and getting stopped out with slippage. So I trade smaller on these lower time frames, but I will be trading. So that's Bitcoin. Can it fall but further? Yes, it can. I've just told you that. Ethereum continues to cascade. It's the one that got away from me. I wasn't around for the trade, but it pulled back into 280, which I've been speaking to my members very closely about. If you have a look up here, you'll actually see it. Look, it's actually on the 2 hour. Very similar to the short that I put out there publicly to my members back in November of, I think about 5,700 on 2 hour cradle on Bitcoin. We saw exactly the same thing here. It doesn't fit the rules exactly, but because of how strong that level was, there was an opportunity for a little bit of a dabble on that one. I did not get that because I was not there. Real shame because that would have been big Bitcoin for me. Anyway, it continues to move. I am looking lower at the moment. It just needs to calm down a little bit. This market has become rather excited, and I don't like to trade it when it's like this. I'm going to wait for Ethereum. But if you look at the rest of the top 10, I'll just quickly jump through them all. You'll note that what we've got here, and I want to show you and highlight the daily timeframes here. Again, a cradle, boom, very strong fall on EOS. We are in a downtrend. Stellar still pretty ugly. XRP, well, we're sitting on some support down here, holding our ground for the time being, but very heavily down. Litecoin, again, downtrending. Bitcoin Cash, downtrending. Binance, downtrending. Tron, downtrending. Cardano, also downtrending. And unfortunately, I wasn't quick enough this morning on a little Cardano breakout. Actually, it was on the BitMEX pair. Oh no, actually, let me just go to, I'll show it to you here. So there we go. Little tiny little level running in through here, and Wishka didn't get it. I was too slow. Guys, main point is this. We've got opportunity. We've got good trends. If you know how to trade short, this is a great time to be trading long-term Bitcoin. Yes, I'm bullish. Short-term, I'm bearish, and I'll be trading to build my Bitcoin stack whilst we have this insane volatility, because typically markets fall harder than they go up, and I'm enjoying it thoroughly. I'm just waiting for a good entry. There have been a few. I just haven't been around for them because I've been doing other things. Guys, courses are filling up very, very fast. Get on board before you miss out. Have a great day and get yourself equipped to make money whether the market goes up or down, so you can build your Bitcoin stack short, medium, and long term. Bye for now.